Manufacturing is booming. New facilities are being built at a rapid pace. But at the same time, costs are rising, and skilled workers are difficult to find as retirements increase. With every minute of production being worth thousands of dollars, every efficiency gain and improvement cycle counts. Mistakes not only cause production delays, they are also critical safety risks. Manufacturers are under more pressure than ever before. They can't afford to absorb hours of downtime or quality issues. This is the magic of Dozuki. The undocumented knowledge of a seasoned expert is quickly digitized and standardized. This instantly puts the insights of experienced workers and thousands of traditional documents in the hands of your workers. They can instantly troubleshoot and resolve issues. They have continuous access to training materials. They can provide feedback. And all of this drives a cycle of continuous improvement and performance. The future of manufacturing depends on transforming efficiency for the people actually doing the work. Right now, hundreds of thousands of workers are empowered by Dozuki. This isn't just innovation. It's the new connected worker revolution. And it's powered by Dozuki.